If you're under investigation for BH or OHA fraud, don't create fake documents. Don't turn fake documents over to law enforcement. Don't turn any documents over to law enforcement or the command. Do not talk to law enforcement. Do not speak with the command about where your family was or wasn't living. Don't try to change it from finance. Instead, gather up all of the actual legitimate, valid documentation that your family members actually lived where you claim they lived. That can be mortgages, credit card statements, bank statements, school records, flights, any documents that prove your family members lived where you claim they lived. Gather those and then consult with an attorney to figure out how to best utilize those in your case. If you've been notified that you're under investigation for BAH or OHA fraud or larceny, then the command or law enforcement believes that you are trying to steal money from the government. Now is not the time to provide your story to the command. What needs to happen is you need to start gathering all of the documents showing where your family members were actually residing, including leases, mortgages, school records, credit card bills, bank statements, any documents that you have, flight records, whatever it is, to show your family actually lived in the location that you claimed. Put all of those together, and then you need to speak with counsel, whether it's one of the free military attorneys or civilian counsel. If you know in your mind that your family members never lived in New York, Miami, San Francisco, Honolulu, Shanghai, Singapore, wherever it is that you're claiming, don't even gather any evidence because there's nothing to gather, right? And so you need to then talk to an attorney and be honest with your attorney. There's going to be attorney-client confidentiality about what exactly occurred, what are the circumstances. That way you and your attorney can game plan a way to either mitigate the damages you've already done or find a way to potentially win the trial. If you have just committed fraud and claim that your spouse lived in Miami and she hasn't even seen Miami Vice, don't do anything to gather documents. Stop talking, hire an attorney, and we need to start mitigating this.